Hi everyone, so today we're going to make banana carrot cake. We start by mashing 2 bananas into a bowl. So I have with me here my little helper in the kitchen today. It's actually our first time baking a banana carrot cake together. So we keep mashing, and next we're going to add in 1 chopped carrot, and then we mash it together as well. I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons of butter. Next, I'm adding in 4 eggs and I'll mix everything together. And I added in 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk for flavor. Into a separate bowl, I'm going to sieve 1 plain flour or all-purpose flour, and next 1 teaspoon of salt and nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And I'm going to sieve everything into the bowl and mix it. So into my liquid mixture, I'll be adding in the flour bit by bit so that I can get the right texture that I want. As you can see, it's mixed in very well. So this is our finishing product. Everything is well incorporated. So next, just spreading in some butter into the cake tin. And I'm putting in my baking sheet. This is just to make it easy when the cake is ready. It can easily come off. And I'm just going to use this stick to remove any trapped bubbles and also give it a bit of shake. So I'll be baking it at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. And ta-da! Our banana carrot cake is ready. So I'll just let it settle for 20 minutes, like cool down, before I remove it from the tin. I'm just using the stick to check for any moist. If you see any moist on the stick, that means it needs to go back in the oven. But when I checked, everything was okay. There wasn't anything sticking onto the stick. And after letting it settle for 20 minutes, you can tell how easily it came off the tin. I'm just cutting it in half so you can see how well the cake is baked. Looks so delicious. My kids couldn't wait to have a taste of it. I can say we did well. This is our first time trying this recipe and it came out really good. It was nice, it was delicious, it was soft. Just look at it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.